In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your debit card PIN in the Bank of America mobile app. This process is quick, secure, and perfect for when you want to update your PIN for safety or simply make it easier to remember. Before we begin, make sure you're using the official app, you have a reliable internet connection, and you're in a private place where you can receive a text or phone call for verification. Start by opening the Bank of America mobile app and logging in with your username and password. If you use biometric sign-in, that works too. Just ensure no one is watching your screen. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to locate your accounts and cards. If you have multiple cards, scroll down until you see the specific debit card you want to update, then select it. Picking the correct card here is important, especially if you manage more than one. Next, look for the card management area. This section is where you can control card settings, and you'll see an option labeled Change PIN. Tap that to begin the update. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the debit card's details page rather than the general account overview. For security, the app will ask you to verify your identity. You'll be given the option to receive an authorization code via text or a phone call. Choose the method that's most reliable for you right now. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as shown and tap Continue. If the code doesn't come through right away, wait a moment or request a new one and double check that your device has a good signal and notifications enabled. Never share this code with anyone. Now it's time to set your new PIN. Enter a 4-digit number that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like repeating digits, simple sequences, or anything tied to personal dates. You'll be asked to re-enter the same PIN to confirm it. When both entries match, tap Change PIN to finalize. You should see a confirmation message letting you know your PIN has been successfully changed. Keep in mind that you can change your PIN only once per day, so if you make a mistake or want to adjust it again, you'll need to wait until the next day. For your security, memorize your new PIN and avoid writing it down. When you're done, close the app or log out if you're on a shared device. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and done in just a few minutes.